Hey guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I want to show you all of my Christmas decorations because I think it would be fun and I'm super excited to show you guys everything. If you're here from last year, there's basically stuff that's the same, but I added some more stuff to it, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. And let's just get into the video. Wait, hold on, I'm sorry. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like Christmas, if you just love spending time with your family, and click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. Alright, so I'm going to take you around, we're going to flip you around, and we're going to show you some Christmas decorations. Let me just get some stuff off this one table. Alright, so right here we have makeup brush holders that have hollies on them, and I have 3 of them on here. Sneak peek for tomorrow's video. Oh yeah. And then anyway, and we go up here and there are Christmas trees, snow, and some light. Those makeup brush holders that I have are from Target. This tree, and those 2 trees are from Hobby Lobby. This tree is from, well, this like group of trees because they're on a little stand. This is from Home Goods. The snow's from Hobby Lobby. There's a light here, but it's on a timer, and it's not time for that timer right now. So this is what those trees look like. I think they're very pretty. For some reason, I love fake little trees. Don't know why. But moving on to over here in this little corner. Don't mind my little Alexa, it's unplugged because she talks randomly. So I have this joy sign that is filled with ornaments. Then we have this little ornament container that I put in my lights, but again, like I said, it's on a timer. And the lights are also going, or I would have them on. And then this is this little sleigh. Then there's one of these cute little trees. And then this is just the snow. And this is an ornament, but it fell off a tree and it looked cute there. And this is just snow. This sign's from Hobby Lobby. This is from Hobby Lobby. That's from Hobby Lobby, and this is from good old Target. Then moving on over here, these lights actually are not on a timer, so they're on right now. These flowers, even though they're dying, these are the flowers that, the roses are dying. The rest are doing great. Are from my boyfriend. He got them for me for hitting 1,000 subscribers. If you guys want to see a video with him, please like this video because he said he'll do it if people want him in a video, and I think it'd be hilarious. So here are these little fawns. I have one over here and then one over here. This is what the lights look like. They're all like this. If you have a boyfriend, you understand what video games are. And these little guys are from Home Goods. Next is my tree. This is the bottom of it. These candy canes are the jelly bean candy canes. They suck, so they're just there for decoration. I tried them, they were horrible. And then I just have an array of ornaments on here. I have some sentimental ornaments. I have some ornaments Jonathan's. Jonathan is my boyfriend's name, by the way, that his mom made us. Some ornaments that I just picked up randomly. They have like a J on, and then a G. And then some ornaments that like fit my like aesthetic, you would guess. So like the silver, pink, green, and then like a black, which I think is really cool. And then there's a bunch of just sentimental ones that are on here for us. And there are presents under the tree that I wrapped. They're from my mom. And then we move on to over here. Again, this has lights also, but it's on a timer and they're really going. So I just want to let you guys know that. I have these 2 trees right here. They're green and glittery. Twisted peppermint candle. And then this little candle holder. This little sign. Hello, this is Happy Holidays. This little tree that says peace. This little pug. That's adorable. And then this peppermint tree. And it also has snow on it. I'll let you know where everything's from. Hobby Lobby. Bath and Body Works. Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. So then we move on over here to this little tree. This tree also has lights on it, and the star lights up, but the battery's going dead, and I have everything on a timer. I don't know why I didn't just do it when everything was on a timer, but that's like the most chaotic time at my house, so that's why. It's got this nice little tree skirt. This is all from Target. So we have the tree skirt, we have these ornaments, which I think are super cute. This black one's really glittery, and I really like it. And this is what the tree looks like. Just a cute little small, little white tree. This one looks a little weird because it's like half blue and then half silver, but I think it's pretty cool. And then there's like a flat white one, regular silver, gold, teal, green. And it just looks like that. And then like a regular black. And then we have the little garland on it, and then the lights. And like I said, all this was at Target. And it's very pretty. And then we move on over here. And we have this sign that says fa la la la, and then some snow. But that's all that's over here. And then, I'm hoping I'm in the camera because I don't have my thing flipped up. Then we're coming over to my side of the bed. And we have this one that is Merry Christmas with 2 little trees. And that's what that looks like. And then let's go back over here. And I'll show you last but not least, my couch. So I have 4 pillows on here and 2 holiday blankets. Here's a blanket that says nice on it. And you can flip it. And it would say naughty, but we have it on for nice, because that's the way I like it on it. And we have this that says Merry Christmas. Don't mind all the dog hair. You saw my 2 dogs already. This other one that says Merry Christmas in blue. And then a Santa Claus. And this blanket is a snowman. This blanket is a reindeer. And then I have another one that's a Santa, but it's in that little bin right there. And this was from, all of this right here was from Hobby Lobby. And then those 2 signs that were in the back, those were also from Hobby Lobby. I also forgot to mention that I have these stockings, a G and a J, with Christmas lights that are in it, and they swing down and go back up. These stockings, these 2 stockings, are from Target. All my lights are from Target as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just showing you guys my Christmas decorations. I did it last year, so I thought it'd be cool to do it again. I will see you guys tomorrow for that video sneak peek that I showed you in this video. And if you kind of skipped through, I would try to find a little sneak peek if you think you can find it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.